step-by-step guide on how you can use Klarna at Walmart. First, you want to go to a Walmart store or visit their website, and you will add the items you want to buy to your cart. Next, you will open up the Klarna app. You want to download and open the Klarna app on your phone. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign up. Search for Walmart. In the Klarna app, you will use the search bar and type Walmart and select Walmart to start shopping through the Klarna browser. Shop through Klarna, add your items to the cart like usual. At checkout, Klarna will give you a virtual one-time card to pay. Use the virtual card. You want to copy the details. Paste them into the payment method section during checkout. Again, you will get this from Klarna. Choose a payment plan. Klarna offers options like pay in 4, pay later, or monthly financing. You want to pick the one that works for you. And then you will just complete your payment, confirm your payment, and Klarna will send you reminders for upcoming payments. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.